Hey, I know your time is valuable, so let's cut the fluff. This isn't another overhyped skincare ad. It's a straightforward guide to 6 daily habits that might be sabotaging your skin without you even realizing it. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, skipping sunscreen. Think sunscreen is only for beach days? Think again. Daily sun exposure, even on cloudy days, can lead to premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Dermatologists emphasize the importance of wearing broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen every day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Actionable tip: apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen every morning, regardless of the weather. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Mistake number 2, sleeping with makeup on. After a long day, it might be tempting to skip your nighttime routine. But sleeping with makeup can clog pores, leading to breakouts and dull skin. Actionable tip: always cleanse your face before bed using a gentle cleanser to remove makeup and impurities. Mistake number 3, over-exfoliating. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, but overdoing it can damage your skin's natural barrier, causing irritation and dryness. Actionable tip: limit exfoliation to 2 to 3 times per week using a gentle exfoliant suitable for your skin type. Mistake number 4, using harsh cleansers. Using soaps or cleansers with high pH levels can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Actionable tip: choose a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser and use lukewarm water to wash your face. Mistake number 5, poor diet choices. Consuming a diet high in refined sugars and processed foods can negatively impact your skin's health, leading to inflammation and breakouts. Actionable tip: incorporate a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to support healthy skin. Mistake number 6, inconsistent sleep patterns. Lack of quality sleep can disrupt your skin's natural repair processes, leading to dullness and premature aging. Actionable tip: aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep schedule to promote skin regeneration. Now that you're aware of these 6 daily mistakes, it's time to take action. Start by addressing one habit today, and you'll be on your way to healthier, more radiant skin. If you found this guide helpful, share your progress in the comments below. Let's achieve that glow up together.